Hello everyone, I am Rajendra Ashok Deshmukh. Today's date is 11 April 2022. Today's our Viva topic is explain the concept constructor. The concept is constructor used mostly in Java programming language. Constructor, it is a patient method that is used to create an object. When construct is called, then object of class is created. Object of class is created. It is used to assign. It is used to give the value to the constructor. Constructor is a patient method to create an object. In constructor method, every object are created using new keyword. Each and every object are created the new keywords. There are some three important rules in a constructor concept. First is that constructor name is same as the class name. Constructor must be have implicit return type. Construction cannot be static, finalized and synchronized. In basically, there are two types of constructor in a Java programming language. First is parameterized constructor. First is default constructor is known as no argument constructor. Second is parameterized constructor is known as argument constructor. Let's we can see first is parameterized default constructor. A constructor is known as default constructor which having no parameter. The constructor having no parameter is known as default constructor. This is an example of to create a class to the bike. This is an example of default constructor. What is the purpose of default constructor in a Java? The main important purpose of default constructor is to provide default values to an object. Like as default value is 0, it is depend on data types. Second important type is parameterized constructor. The constructor having special parameters. Special parameter is known as parameterized constructor. Is known as argument constructor. What is the purpose of parameter constructor in Java? The main important purpose of parameterized constructor is to provide different value to distinct object. Is this main important works done and like a purpose to parameter object to provide different values to distinct object in a constructor is known as parameterized constructor. method overloading. Constructor overloading is known as method overloading. A constructor having same method but not a return type, but method is overloaded, is known as constructor overloading. Method overloading having same method but different parameter is also known as method overloading. There are two important type of constructor. I have said first is default constructor and second is parameterized constructor. If an constructor is called, it is called, there is no constructor implement in a class. Java compiler provides because this time Java compiler provides default constructor. How this happens to provide Java compiler is default constructor. Is this two important type of constructor? Thank you everyone for watching and listening. This today our Viva topic is explain concept of constructor.